Algebra 1, Module 3, Lesson 7, exit ticket. And it says, a huge ping pong tournament is held in Beijing with 65,536 participants at the start of the tournament. Each round of the tournament eliminates half of the participants. If P of R represents the number of participants remaining after R rounds of play, write a formula to model the number of participants remaining. So what we would do there, you always, well, let's start with P of R, okay? And now, remember that you always have to have your beginning population or your beginning number, or if we're talking about money, you have to begin with your principal. Okay, however much money you're putting into the bank or however much money you're taking out, that's what you're starting with. So here we got to start with our population, which is 65,536. Okay. Now it says that after each round, that's going to eliminate half of the participants. So we would write that as times 1/2, and R is going to be our however many rounds we played. Okay. So at 0 rounds, before anybody's played yet, there's going to be 65,536 participants. After round 1, that's going to half. After round 2, that would be 1/4, right? You'd have 1/4 of the participants left after round 2. Okay? So this says in B, use your model to determine how many participants remain after 10 rounds. Okay? So P of R is equal to 6,536 times 1/2 to the power of 10. So what is 2 to the 10th power? That would be 1 over 1,024. So you're going to look and see what is 1/1024th of 65,536. And all you would do is put that into a calculator. And you would end up with 64 participants after the 10th round. Okay? Everybody good with that? So C says, how many rounds of play will it take to determine the champion ping pong player? Well, we can already eliminate one being Michael, right? It's not going to be Michael. So we've narrowed it down to 65,535 people at least. Okay? So how would we figure this out? Well, if we half 64, that would be 32, right? If we half 32, that's 16. Half 16, that's 8. Half 8, that's 4. Half 4, that is 2. And then you would have the one player remaining after the 16th round. Okay? So if I add 6 more rounds to 10, that would be 16 rounds to find the winner. Okay?